Hello friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம் and welcome to my channel. This video give the explanation for meaning of budget, definition and a classification of budget in budgetary control in management accounting. Before that, if you are a new viewer, go to subscribe and give bell icon. Then meaning of budget. A budget is a quantitative and or financial plan of the policies to be pursued in a future period of time. It may be related to sales, production, different components of cost, cash, etc. So, budget is to given the quantitative and financial plan for a future period is relation to the sales budget, production budget and cost or cash budget. So these are the we give the only the standard or approximation only. So this is the budget. Then definition of budget. According to Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London, budget is defined as a financial and are quantitative statements prepared prior to a defined period of time of the policies to be pursued during the period for the purpose of attaining a given objectives. So, first we pursued the what are the objectives or aim of the business is based on the production or sales or components of cost, cash also. This is the preparation of statement with the policy of business, then financial and quantitative statements. So this is the budget. The next one is classification of budgets. Budgets may be classified on the basis of time, flexibility and functions. Then, on the basis of time span for which the budgets are prepared, budgets may be classified into the following types. So, classification according to time of the budget is further classified into the following types, that is long-term budgets, short-term budgets, current budgets. So, these are the types of under the classification according to time basis of budget. We have to briefly explain that classification according to time. The first one is long-term budgets. There are the budgets prepared for a long period, generally for 5 to 10 years. These budgets generally involve large amount and are strategic in nature. These capital expenditure budgets, research and development expenditure budgets are example of long-term budget. This is the long-term investments of the budget. These budgets are prepared by the top management. Then second one is short-term budgets. Short-term budgets are the budgets or the budgets prepared for a short period, that is 1 or 2 years. Organization in which operating cycle is less than 2 years prepare short-term budgets. So, the short-term budgets will prepared by every organization for their operating cycle. It is the short-term budgets. Then third one is current budget. Current budgets are the budget prepared for a very short period of time, usually few weeks or months and related to the current conditions. It is to the budget which is established for use over a short period of time and is related to current conditions only. Then it is prepared for few weeks or months for a particular specific activities of the organization or business concern. So These are the types of according to time of classification of budget. The next classification according to flexibility. On the basis of flexibility of the budgets, budgets can be classified into fixed budget and flexible budget. Then fixed budget. A fixed budget is a budget prepared for particular level of activity. If the actual less level is different, the budget is not adjusted. It is a static budget. It is a fixed or standard budget. Any other condition should not arise this any changes about the budget. Then the flexible fixed budget is a budget which is designed to remain unchanged irrespective of the level of activity actually attained. This is the fixed budget. The next one is flexible budget. A flexible budget is a budget which is designed in such a way that it may be changed according to the change in the level of activity. Then flexible budget at any time change their activities. This is the flexible budget. A budget which by recognize the difference between fixed, semi-variable and variable cost is designed to change in relation to the level of activity attained. So this definition is given by the CIMA Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, London. The next one is the classification of budget. Classification according to functions. On the basis of the functions of the organization to which the budget relates, budget may be classified into the following three types: operating budget, financial budget and master budget. Then operating budget. Operating budgets are the budgets relating to the operating activities of the concern. Operating budget may be prepared by the respective department heads or the functional managers. This is the preparation for the statement of operating activities only in this business concern. The next one is financial budget. Financial budgets are the budgets concerned with the cash receipts and cash payments. Financial budget are generally prepared by the financial manager. It is related to the accounts department and financial department. Any financial managers are concerned authority of the financial purpose of the business. They are prepared to cash receipts and cash payment statements for the financial budget at the future time or current situations about the activities of the business. The next one is master budget. This is the very important budgets of the classification of budget. A master budget is the summary budget which is prepared for the entire organization. For example, financial budget is prepared by the financial manager or accounts department. Business activities or operating budget is prepared by the manufacturing or material and production departments may be prepared, but this type of budget, that is master budget, is the summary budgets. So to all the budgets are involved in this master budget, so prepared for the entire organization. It may be in the form of profit and loss accounts and balance sheet. This is the final accounts of the companies. Already we know that profit and loss account and balance sheet it incorporates all the functional budgets and gives an overall view of the revenues, expenses, profit and financial position. This is the master budget. Steps in the preparation of the master budget. So first we have to find out this all the budgets, then finally we have to prepare the master budget, because the master budget is prepared for entire organization. So the first step is preparation of sales budget, second step is preparation of production budget, third one is preparation of cost of production budget, then fourth one is preparation of cash budget, then at the last or final step is preparation of master budgets. So this is the steps in the preparation of master budget. Apart from this classification of time, flexibility and functions of the budgets, this is some important function budgets about this budgetary control. Then sales budget, production budget, cost of production budget, materials budget, direct labor budget and factory overhead budget. This is the other types of or important functions budgets are about budgetary control. Then the next budget is zero-based budgeting. Zero-based budgeting is a technique of control in which each function or activity is reviewed from scratch or zero, whether it is an existing activity or new activity. Every activity is identified as a decision package and must be justified and evaluated by cost benefit analysis. This type of budget we have to prepare at any cost is not in the value or basis of budget purpose. In this type of budget is not the basic any other resources. It starts from 0 point will be prepare the budget. So this is known as the zero based budgeting. Okay friends, I hope you have to understand that the budget and budgetary control and classification of budgets. So kindly support my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.